Hello, it's number one fashionista coming at you with another video. So this is a really special one for me because this is an item that I've been looking for a really long time, but I couldn't find it in just the right flavor, just the right style, the right price. I've seen these trucker jackets go from hundreds of dollars, $200, $300, down to $20, and they're all different styles of basically the same idea. And what it is the cut and sew, denim jacket, trucker jacket, and I found one that really suits my style, and I want to share it with you guys. So, I got this one from Fashionnova, and as soon as I saw it, I knew it was the one for me. So I'm really excited about it. So this is going to be an unbagging. So I'm just going to take this out of the bag here. Let's see here. So, let's see, I took it out. I open the bag now, so I'm just gonna, this is the Fashion Nova, so I'm just gonna take it out. And this is the jacket. This is the cut and sew jacket. This is the Get the Bag two-tone denim jacket. Absolutely gorgeous. I can already tell I'm gonna love it. So this is a size medium, and I actually got two of these in the size medium. So that one. Two of them in the size medium, and I got this necklace too, which I love. So I'll show this to you really quick. So let's see here. Men's Fashionnova necklace, and it is the barbed wire. So really cool looking necklace. I love it. Isn't that gorgeous? So nice from Fashionnova. They really get, the jewelry. I really like their jewelry. So this is a fun little necklace. Go with my gold Louboutins. So, and some other gold and black shirts. So really cool. I'm excited to wear this. I love barbed wire right now. I'm really feeling the barbed wire trend. So now to the main event. And this is the little baggie that the necklace came in. So the matte barbed wire necklace in gold. Okay, so this jacket I'm so excited for. So excited. So here's the jacket. So I'm going to open it so I can give you a sense of the beauty. And these are really sensibly priced. I really like the price on this. Very sensibly priced. Not just gorgeous. And so this is the size medium, as I said earlier. They're both size medium, and it's not the price there, but this was the jacket was, let's see, so there's the price of the jacket. Is it says $69. I think it was $59 though, for each of the jackets. So, and then the little necklace was about $9. So that's the price on it. So reasonably priced, so affordable, and it's the cut and sew. Isn't that just gorgeous? So, I mean, that is incredible. That is absolutely stunning. So now you can really see it. Isn't that just gorgeous? I love how the dark have got the darker mid-wash pocket right here, and then the light wash around it, and dark wash, if you will, on the pocket in the center, dark wash in the middle, and then light wash around it. So cool. This is amazing. And then, of course, it's got the contrast dark wash here, and then the lighter wash on the arm. So that's awesome. Absolutely perfect. Exactly what I wanted. Exactly what I wanted. Such a cool jacket. I cannot wait to wear this trucker jacket. I'm going to do a video on all my trucker jackets eventually here. I'm just waiting to get them all together, and then I can do a video on all of them. But this is perfection. To me, this is the best cut and sew. Totally worth what I paid plus some, and I got it on sale, so I'm really glad about that. I put a little code in. So this is the back. This is the back. So the back is, you know, more simple. This is the back. It's so nice from the front. Just to see the front is just so cool. And it's got the dark wash here. Oh my goodness, absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to wear this. It's got the light with the dark at the top here. The light wash. The dark, so dark, light, dark. So beautiful. So excited to try this on. Cannot wait to try it on. So yeah, this is the jacket. I absolutely love it. So the reason I got two is because on the second one, this is also a size medium, I'm gonna actually do a, I guess you would call a, like a trim or a piping. I'm going to do like a fringe braid around the pockets and around the seams. I'm going to take it to a seamstress and have her do that for me. I've been reading online how they do that process, so I just want to find the right person to do it for me, but it's going to look so sick with the seams frayed. And I'll show you guys the finished product once I get that done, once these places open back up. But I love it. And I love that it's got the silver buttons. So perfect with the silver button. So I'm very impressed. I absolutely love it. And yeah, this is my new favorite jacket. So especially for summer, this is a great summer jacket. Absolutely gorgeous. I mean, that to me is just bomb. Just the best. Alright, guys. So, yeah, maybe I'll try this on for you guys. So, yeah, thanks. Till next time, fashionistas and fashionistas.